Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to go over the impressive selection of Starcraft Autumn Ridge travel trailers. There are a total of 15 floor plans, with 4 of them being single-axle models. The single-axle Autumn Ridge models are similar in unloaded weight, hovering around the 3,500 pound mark. They're also within a foot of one another at around 22 feet. The dual-axle Autumn Ridge models have a wider range. In unloaded weight, they go from just under 4,200 pounds all the way up to just over 8,000, and in length from 23.5 feet to nearly 36.5 feet. First off, let's take a look at the 4 Starcraft Autumn Ridge single-axle floor plans. Of the 4, 2 are family-focused bunkhouse models. The 19BH is the classic non-slide single-axle bunkhouse with stacked twin bunks in the rear off-campside corner, abutting the convertible dinette and sharing the back wall with the bathroom. The kitchen is straight line on the campside, and a camper queen bed is tucked into the front off-campside corner. The second single-axle bunkhouse, the 180BHS, is very similar, only the convertible dinette is in a slide and the bathroom has a good-sized vanity counter. Both of these can sleep up to 5 campers. The next single-axle Autumn Ridge is a rear bath floor plan, the 182RB. This model is a great single-axle, perfect for the camp-loving couple. The rear wall is all bathroom with a wardrobe in the off-campside corner. Up front, a queen bed is centered on the front wall with more wardrobe space flanking the bed. The straight-line kitchen is on the off-campside across from a dinette that converts into a bed in case you have a guest. The final single-axle Autumn Ridge is the 171RD. The camper queen bed is placed in the front off-camp corner and a good-sized bathroom sits next to it. The kitchen is walk-through with the fridge on the off-camp side and the rest on the campside. This makes room for a large U-dinette taking up the entire back wall. Convertible, this dinette can sleep 2, so the 171RD can sleep a total of 4. Time to move on to the dual-axle Autumn Ridge models. There's a total of 11 floor plans, of which a half dozen are bunkhouses. Being a family-first man, I'll start with those bunkhouses. First up is the Autumn Ridge 20MB. This model has double-over-double bunks in the rear campside corner. You'll find a straight-line kitchen on the off-campside and a convertible dinette across from it. Up front, the 20MB has the versatile Murphy bed with fold-up queen bed and jackknife sofa. The 20MB can sleep up to 7, while the rest of the Autumn Ridge bunkhouses can sleep up to 8. Now we move up the line to the Autumn Ridge 26BH. The 26BH takes what the 20MB has and builds upon it. Along with the double-over-double bunks and convertible dinette, you'll find an independent jackknife sofa in the living area. The bedroom now has a walk-around queen bed centered on the front wall with wardrobes flanking it. Plus, the bedroom comes with a solid pocket door to enable some privacy. The next Autumn Ridge bunkhouse, the 26BHS, is the first dual-axle bunkhouse to have a slide. This large living area pulls out the convertible dinette and jackknife sofa. Across the roomy living area, you'll find the straight-line kitchen with a pantry and wide kitchen counter. Up front, the centered queen bed has the flanking 2 wardrobes, and the bedroom is separated from the living area with double sliding doors coming off a large entertainment center. Moving a digit up, we find the Autumn Ridge 27BHS. For this model, Starcraft moved the double-over-double bunks to the off-campside rear corner. This shifts the bathroom to the campside, plus adds an additional entry door from the exterior going straight into the bathroom. The main entry is placed up front next to the bedroom, and the bedroom has a centered queen bed off the front wall with wardrobes and a sliding pocket door. The living area of the 27BHS is similar to the 26BHS, but the dinette is a U-dinette, and the campside kitchen adds a wardrobe/linen closet next to the bathroom. Second to last on the Autumn Ridge bunkhouse list is the 282BH. The 282 moves the bunks back to the campside and puts more emphasis on the kitchen. Placed into a campside corner next to the bedroom, this kitchen has more space with a deep L-shaped counter. Beside the fridge sits a sizable entertainment center. Across from the kitchen is the large slide containing a jackknife sofa and U-dinette. The bedroom has a solid pocket door to enable privacy. The 282 is the first of the Autumn Ridge bunkhouses to have an outside kitchen. The final Autumn Ridge bunkhouse, the 32 BHS, also has an outside kitchen and is the only bunkhouse model with a true bunk room. The bunk room is equipped with 3 twin bunks and a convertible dinette, with one of the bunks and the dinette on a slide. The bunk room also has a wardrobe to hang clothes. The 32 BHS has the same sizable kitchen as the 282 BH, as well as the same living area slide, but the 32 BHS comes with a trifold sofa option. With the bunk room addition, the bathroom has been moved to the front area. It's a walk-through bathroom with private access from the bedroom. The bedroom has a walk-around queen bed centered on the front wall. Now that we've covered the bunkhouse floor plans, let's move on to the more couple-centric ones, starting with the pair of rear bath models. The 20 FBS has a rear bath in the off-camp side corner and includes a neo-angle shower. This bathroom shares the rear wall with the fridge and a full-length pantry. Surprisingly, for a smaller travel trailer, the 20 FBS has a slide. Within this slide sits a jackknife sofa, and across from it is a straight-line kitchen. A centered queen bed is on the front wall, and there is a privacy curtain in case you have a guest. The other rear bath model is the 21 RBS. This layout has the rear bath dominating the entire rear wall, adding a large vanity area with double medicine cabinets and a linen closet. The living area sports a large off-camp side slide containing the fridge, pantry, and a rest-easy L-shaped sofa. This sofa matches the L-shaped kitchen, and the kitchen itself features ample counter space. Across from the sofa is a large entertainment center. Up front, you'll find the walk-around queen bed, and the bedroom has a pocket door to provide privacy from the living area. Now we're on to the trio of Autumn Ridge rear living floor plans, the 21 FB, 23 RLS, and 27 RLI. The 21 FB has the classic rear dinette layout with the dinette placed on the rear wall campside and a jackknife sofa opposite. The kitchen is split. Sink and cooktop are campside, the fridge and pantry are on the other side. The front bedroom has a full bed centered on the front wall with flanking wardrobe closets. The 23 RLS takes the traditional rear living floor plan and makes it special. A jackknife sofa sits on the rear wall, sharing it with a lengthy kitchen counter that continues up the campside to create a long straight-line kitchen. At the end of the kitchen is a large angled pantry. Across from the kitchen is a convertible dinette in a slide with an entertainment center perpendicular to the dinette. The bathroom is walk-through with a private pocket door, providing access to the bedroom with its ample spaced walk-around queen bed. The final Autumn Ridge floor plan is the 27 RLI. With its opposing slides, the 27 RLI provides you with plenty of open space in the living area. Campside, the slide pulls out the booth dinette and a pair of pushback recliners. Opposite, the slide pulls out the entertainment center that's straight across from the recliners, plus the majority of the kitchen, including the full-length pantry. Also, the 27 RLI is the only Autumn Ridge with a kitchen island, providing great storage and prep space. More counter space can be found against an interior wall. On the rear wall, you'll find a large trifold sofa. The bed and bath combo is the same as a 23 RLS, including the neo-angle shower. Now that we've all taken a good look at each Starcraft Autumn Ridge floor plan, let's check out some of the fine Autumn Ridge features. A few exterior features they all share include a power awning with LED lighting, easy lube axles, tinted safety glass windows, rear observation camera prep, and solar prep. Inside an Autumn Ridge, enjoy amenities such as an 81-inch interior height, LED lighting, and a 13,500 BTU AC. In the kitchen, you'll find a 60/40 split double bowl sink with a residential-style high-rise faucet, 3-burner range, and much more. For the double axle models, you'll also enjoy a 4-stair heated enclosed underbelly, power tongue jack, and stainless steel appliances. The flagship of the Starcraft line, the Autumn Ridge has an abundance of floor plans and is a well-appointed conventional travel trailer we're sure will please the camper in you.